This drawing we have not registered drawing. For example, if you want control fee, if you want to check this one is product by an Autodesk. Okay, so this is not registered. So many consultant or for example FIWA municipality, he don't want this. He told this is wrong, make it correct. So if you have unregistered AutoCAD, so this message will come. How to remove this? This is very easy. Control Shift S means save as. Just change here this to DXF. Okay, this one. Okay, this, and save. You save, you just open, you just close this now and open that drawing. This one, double click, open. Now you check, this message is removed, no message come here. Now what the next step? You just save, Control S, and the actual drawing, click on him and DXF means DXF you convert to DWG. Save, yes, close, then you go again, then you open your actual drawing. If some message come, you click on yes, otherwise this is your registered drawing. If you click this, no DWG, but see, no message come. So this is registered. If you bring some from unregistered drawing, some things, for example AC or text or something, schedule, so this will be also make problem, same like the other drawing. So this is the way to change your drawing from unregistered to register. Thank you for watching.